Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View for the week ahead. Monday sees a reasonably fine day for many places. One or two light showers passing from west to east during the day, but nothing really too much on them, and many places will stay dry for much of the daytime. Cloud will cover some western tops quite frequently, lifting a little bit as time goes on. Some breaks then towards many summits. Best of the brightness generally for eastern regions, some sunshine coming through, fairly cloudy skies for many, and it will be feeling rather cool with that keen westerly breeze, strongest towards northern Scotland, and here strengthening further as we go through the afternoon into the evening. A front over the Atlantic starting to encroach its way in, and that will bring some more frequent showery rain into the evening and night in northwest Scotland. Low pressure is back on the scene, centred toward the north on Tuesday. A weak front passing southeastwards over England and Wales, producing some areas of showery rain, most of that small amounts, but cloud will shroud the western tops much of the day. A more persistent zone of rain and showers across the west and northwest Highlands, some heavier rain fairly frequent in northwestern areas. Eastern Scotland starts off mainly dry, a few patchy light areas of rain, but then some heavier showers could well brew up during the daytime. So for the afternoon around the Cairngorms there could be some heavier and possibly thundery showers just breaking out locally. Again, rather blustery across the hills, wind speeds gusting towards gale force at times on the highest tops in western Scotland. Feeling cool again then in exposure on higher terrain. Tuesday's area of low pressure is pulling away eastwards. There's a bit of uncertainty how quickly it does that, and it could mean that Wednesday sees a stronger northwesterly wind for longer than this chart might just suggest, but there is a slackening off of that pressure pattern coming in, so wind speeds should drop lighter as the day is going on. Some showers possible in northern and western parts early in the day, those likely to fade. Some bright spells, some sunshine trying to break through. Cloud may often cap the higher tops in more northern parts of Scotland. Some further fronts over the Atlantic, though, not too far away for the later part of the week. Some quite complicated areas of low pressure then are trying to move their way in from the west, and that could well bring some persistent and heavier falls of rain, likely focused over England, Wales and southern Scotland on Thursday. Northern parts of the Highlands may well get away with a largely dry day, but keep an eye on the forecasts at this time. Blustery winds possible in southern regions. It could be that there's lighter winds further north, but we could just have an easterly that could be quite gusty around some tops in northern Scotland. Temperatures still rather on the cool side. Now, there is considerable uncertainty with the detail by the end of the week, as areas of low pressure are still nearby, and that system from Thursday may not have completely dispersed, so the risk of some persistent rain still being around, especially across England and Wales. Scotland, nearer to high pressure, again looks to fare best for dry air conditions being around. Still rather cool, wind speeds looking mostly light. Again, will just depend on previous weather systems still being around. It looks broadly changeable, it must be said, into next weekend, but again, that is lower on confidence. We'll look at those details further ahead in Tuesday's planning outlook, but for today, that is your fleeting view. Thanks for watching.